Hi, I'm David Goodman, a partner here at the Coppola Firm, and today we're going to talk about Dave's top 5 list of important things to do when you've been involved in an accident. There are important steps after a slip and fall injury that must be taken. And here are things to consider to make sure that you are doing things the right way. First, get medical treatment. Your health or the health of a loved one is your number one priority following a slip and fall accident. If you've been hurt, it's important to see a doctor so that your injuries can be properly documented and that you can get the care you need. Visiting a nearby urgent care center or going to the ER right away is necessary. When a medical provider documents your injury, the medical records become an important part of evidence when you seek compensation for your injuries. Secondly, report the accident. No matter where the accident happens, inside or outside, at a store or in a mall, or even at someone's home or at work, make sure that you report it to either the manager, the building owner, the landlord, someone in control. You should always get the details of the incident in writing. You can ask the manager or landlord of the property to write up your report and to give you a copy before you leave. And if they refuse, you can write up your own report of your injury and document that you've shared it with them, either by hand delivering it or sending it by trackable mail. Number 3, document everything. If you do this, it's very important to collect the names, addresses, phone numbers, and email of anyone who may have seen and witnessed your accident. They're potential witnesses, and their statements of what they saw can help prove your claim. They're independent, uninterested witnesses as to what happened, and they're important. Remember to take pictures of the location where you fell, and to make sure you photograph any icy areas, snow, elevated areas, steps, or other conditions that either caused or contributed to your accident. Now, if you can't do that because of your injury, ask a trusted friend or family member to help out. Number 4, just say no to giving a statement to the insurance company. Sometimes the insurance company or even the building manager and owner will ask you a series of questions. Now, be polite, but tell them you are not willing to give them a statement. In other words, you should not speak with anyone about the accident other than your medical providers and your lawyers. Also, please do not post details about your accident on social media. If an insurance claims adjuster or investigator calls you on the phone, politely tell them that you won't speak with them until you've spoken to your attorney. That's what we're here for, to help you through these annoying tasks. And 5, call us for help. When you are thinking about your legal rights, it's important to get in touch with a lawyer as soon as possible. You can call us anytime. You can also reach out to us on our website at coppolalegal.com. That's COPPOLALEGAL.com. It's best to have an experienced lawyer on your side after a slip and fall or any type of accident. We have the experience, the knowledge, and the track record of success to recover you the money you deserve. Call, click, or just stop in today.